Cordial greetings, dear tutor. My name is Fabian Ricardo Colmenares Estrada. I live in Bogota. I am an analysis and development information systems technician, and I'm currently a systems engineering student working as a business intelligence consultant. The topic I'm going to present today is environmental problems associated with the use of pesticides and fertilizers. As it is known, the well-being of farms and ranches depends on good quality soil, water, air, and other natural resources. So, to preserve those resources, good farm management needs to include protection of the environment. That's why farmers use pesticides to help on that, but they must be used carefully and wisely, following the label instructions. Otherwise, they can cause environmental problems like air pollution and damage to other organisms, including plants, birds, wildlife, fish, and crops. So, what happens to pesticides? Their use has many benefits, including controlling harmful pests, diseases, and invasive plants that can impact crops and the natural environment. But using it can potentially have harmful environmental impacts as well, like when it moves outside of the intended application site. So there are many processes that affect what happens to pesticides in the environment. Some of these processes are adsorption, which is the binding of pesticides to soil particles; transfer, that includes other processes that move pesticide away from the target site; and these also include volatilization, which is the process of solids or liquids converting into a gas, and so they can move away from the initial application site, and this way can damage nearby crops. The other one is spray drift, this is the airborne movement of spray droplets away from a treatment site during application. And the last one will be runoff. That is the movement of pesticides in water over a sloping surface. So, the ways to minimize pesticide impact and reduce its potential to cause environmental damage or water contamination are, for example, to always read and follow the label instructions on the pesticide container, to avoid mixing pesticides near wells or other sources of water, to store pesticides safely and according to legal requirements, to never begin an application when wind or temperature favors pesticide drift to and off the target area, to use appropriate spray pressure and nozzle selection to minimize drive. And the last solution, but not least, would be to maintain all application equipment in good working order and calibrated regularly. Thank you so much.